Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can disable key fob to save battery in your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, right now I am inside my car. So if you go here, for example, to your dashboard menu, if you search in the settings, you won't find the option to disable it. Even if you see, or even if you search here in your screen, if you go to the settings, you won't find any option to disable the your car key fob. Because basically, in order to disable or enable this option, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. It's just from your car key. So I'm going to take my Corolla car key. So in order to disable this option, as you can see guys here, depending on which model you have, you might have more or less buttons on your keys. So in order to disable the key fob, just hold click right here, and then you will see a little light, a red light right here. So keep holding until the red light stops blinking, and then your key fob will be deactivated. If you want to reactivate it, all you need to do guys is hold click again, and then it will be activated. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.